I wanted to come on this morning and really answer a question that I've been getting from a lot of people. A pretty simple question, but it's an important question to answer. I'm Mike Ellis, by the way. People are wondering, what is the priority placement? Again, it's a good question. And very, very simply put, it is the way Mr. Mufara is uploading us all into Victory with Ash. And Victory with Ash is where we all need to be. It is the bridge to the new business, but it's more than that. It's also an educational platform where he and his team are giving us the decades of knowledge that they've acquired of things that work online. So we get to come in, we get to go through the learning modules, we get to understand what they've been doing over the last 20 years and how we can take that into the big, bold, beautiful new business, into the new business, and implement those things to be successful. Really is that simple. Now, priority placement. As we come into Victory with Ash, and please get this, there are no hierarchies. It does not matter if you come in number 1, you're one of the priority placements, or you come in number 10,000. There is no hierarchy in Victory with Ash. We are all there to learn and then take that knowledge we acquire over into the new business. That's why we're there. And again, it doesn't matter if you're number 1 or number 10,000. There are no hierarchies. We are the same. So you guys don't have to worry about that. And how you come into Victory with Ash, it does not matter. Find a link. Do what's necessary to get into the platform of Victory with Ash. Plain and simple. Again, it is the bridge going into the new business. It is where you will acquire the knowledge to be very, very successful as we go into the new business. That's what it is. And understand, there is no hierarchy. There is no one individual better than everybody else in Victory with Ash. We are all the same. And Ash planned it that way. The priority placement, it is just a way to bring everybody into the new platform as we're transitioning over into the new business. That's what it is. So very, very simple. You guys don't need to worry about when you get there, how you get there, what link you use. It does not matter. Just get into Victory with Ash. From there, the game begins, and we start rolling very, very quickly. And by the way, the process that Mr. Mufara is using to bring all of us into Victory with Ash, it's already started. Okay, and he's going to update us as the floodgates open. You don't need to worry about missing anything. You won't. Mr. Mufara will keep all of us updated, and when it's time for you and I, we're going to know, and boom. And by the way, it's not going to take that much. It's not going to take that much longer. Really, it isn't. We're in days now. We're not weeks and months. We're days. So get ready. It's coming. It's just a really, really fun time with Mr. Mufara, where we are and moving forward. One last thing I want to talk about before I let you all go. It's a concept that I've been thinking about for the last couple of weeks. Just a really, really fun concept. This is my opinion. I haven't got this from Mr. Mufara or any of his team. How do we look moving forward with a new business? If we have an economic collapse, and you never know when that's going to happen, has Mr. Mufara thought about that? Is there a way forward to continue to develop an online income if the economy goes south? In other words, is the economy recession proof? It's just something I've been thinking about the last couple of weeks. Here's my opinion. Yeah, I do. I think the company that we're going to be in is going to be recession proof. And again, this is just another added thing, another reason why I am so happy I'm following Mr. Mufara and his team. And I'll give you the reasons why. Number one, the company that Mr. Mufara is rolling out, the company that we're going to be going into, it is a privately owned company. It's not a public company. And when you say that, you have to look at the business models that the two use. Private company has a lot of flexibility. A public company does not. They're on the stock exchange. Their main goal is products and profit for their stockholders. When you think about Mr. Mufara and what he's doing, it's not about profits. It's about people. He wants to develop products that are superior, above market value, or lower price point to help people. It's always about the people, people, people. And if there is a downturn in the economy, if you're a public company, it's really, really hard to adjust. But if you're a private company, if you're Mr. Mufari, if you've developed this company the way he has, it's very, very easy to adjust because he can lower his prices without any problem whatsoever. And again, this is an AI IT company. All the products are online. They're digital products. They don't have a warehouse full of goods. So it makes it very, very easy for Mr. Mufari to come in and go, okay, the economy fell. People still need our products. They're still in great demand. We just need to lower the price a little bit. He can do that in a heartbeat. Those are just a couple of reasons that I think about when I think about a company that is recession-proof. And I believe Mr. Mufari is building and has built a company that is recession-proof. It's just another reason why you want to be where you're at today, coming into Victory with Ash, getting the knowledge necessary to be successful as we move into the new business. And I think the new business is probably recession-proof. So I just wanted to throw that out there very quickly. It's how my mind works. I just think we're in a great place. So come on in, get ready to enter Victory with Ash. I think that's going to happen very, very quickly. When it does, again, doesn't matter how you come in, what link you use, and when you get there, there are no hierarchies. You're the same as I am. So just really, really good stuff. Get ready. It's coming very, very quickly. Mr. Mufari has already started the process. He told us that in the last O News 17 in the OAS back office. So in the next few days, things are rocking and rolling, guys. It is happening now. And when he's ready for everybody, when he wants to open the floodgates, don't worry about it. You're going to know. And then find a link, come on in, get into Victory with Ash. We're all there together. We're going to learn together, and then we're going to move over into the big, bold, beautiful new business or dream. Take care. And that's it for today. We'll absolutely see you on the inside. Have a great week. Bye.